This video I will explain how browsers render websites. When you type the website address like google.com into your browser, the browser does not just instantly show you the page. Behind the scenes, it goes through the process called rendering. Rendering means turning the website's code into the picture, text, buttons, and layout you see on your screen. Step 1 is getting the code. Every site is made up of files written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. HTML is the structure of the page, like a blueprint. It decides what text, images, or links appear on the page. CSS is nothing but cascading style sheets. CSS is the design and the look, colors, font, layout, etc. JavaScript is the interactive parts, like sliders, pop-ups, animations. The browser first downloads these files from the internet. Step 2 is building the structure. The browser reads the HTML code and creates something called a DOM. DOM is nothing but document object model. You can think of DOM like a family tree of all the elements on the web page, like headings, paragraphs, and buttons. Step 3 is applying the styles. Next, the browser reads the CSS and applies styles to the DOM. For example, the title should be big and bold. The background should be blue. The text should be centered. This creates the render tree, which combines the structure and design. Structure is nothing but DOM, design is nothing but CSS. Step 4 is running the JavaScript. The browser then processes the JavaScript code. This is what makes the page interactive. If you click the button and something changes, that is JavaScript. If new content appears without reloading, that is JavaScript 2. Step 5 is laying out the page. Now the browser figures out where everything should go on the screen, where the images should appear, how wide the column should be, how text should be wrapped around, etc. This is called a layout step. Step 6 is painting the page. Finally, the browser takes all the information and paints the pixel on your screen. This is when the web page becomes visible. If you scroll down, the browser continues to render the page and paint the new parts of the page. Here you can see the whole process in simple steps. The phase 1 is download phase. Start the download and the browser download the website files like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then next phase is build phase. It builds the structure which is DOM. It applies design using CSS and next phase is process phase. In that it runs interactivity using JavaScript and it figures out the layout and next phase is render phase. It paints everything on the screen. So when you open the website, the browser is like an artist. The browser reads the instruction, which is code, then builds the structure, which is a skeleton, then adds color and style, then bring it to life, and finally paints the complete picture for you.